7 things you'll need to understand when visiting Portugal. These are things you will hear during a visit to Portugal. They're good to know because you won't be able to avoid them, and it's very likely that they will be said quickly and perhaps not in the clearest tone possible, so keep your ears open. 1. Diga. This is a form of the verb dizer, which means to say. You will hear this in a shop or whenever someone didn't understand what you said and they want you to say it once more. 2. Para onde. This is where to. It can be one of the first things in Portuguese you'll ever hear, especially if you take a taxi at the airport. 3. Não temos. Portuguese stores will almost definitely have what you want to buy, but sometimes someone will say this to you. It means we don't have it. 4. Quer saco. If you go to a supermarket, it's almost impossible that you won't hear this from a cashier. It means, do you want a bag? Occasionally, people will use a diminutive and say, quer saquinho? The bag will be the same size though. 5. Multibanco. This word is everywhere. It's just the name for the Portuguese ATM system. There are caixas multibanco, ATM machines, terminais multibanco, payment terminals, and cartões multibanco, debit cards. 6. Quer que embrulhe? This one also fits in the putting purchased objects inside containers category. It means, do you want me to wrap it? 7. Cuidado! This one can be a bit alarming because it means watch out or be careful, but it isn't used exclusively if you're about to step on a loose plank in the world-famous Portuguese Bridge of Death over the equally world-famous Portuguese Chasm of Despair. Maybe you're just about to step on dog poop. Por favor, subscrevam o canal, façam um like e ajudem-me a alimentar este ornitorrinco. Também dou aulas no italki e vendo material para aprender português. Os links estão na descrição. Não querem que o bicho passe fome, pois não?